Good day, everyone. Today we talk about regular grammar. What is regular grammar? This is a type of formal grammar used in computer science and linguistics to describe the structure of strings in a language. It is a simple of powerful tools for defining patterns and sequences of symbols like words in a sentences or char- characters in a code. Terminal symbols. Think of terminal symbols as the building blocks of a language, the actual characters or words that you can see in use. They are concrete elements that makes up strings or sentences. For example, programming language. In a programming language, terminal symbols would be things like keyboard, if else, while, or for. Identifiers, my variable, function name, operators, punctuation, natural language. In a natural language like English, terminal symbols would be words cut, run, the quickly, punctuation, and the symbols. Non-terminal symbols. Think of non-terminal symbols as blueprints or categories within a languages. Structure structure guiding how words or symbols are put together. They are like placeholder that represent grammatical concepts or components, not actual words or characters themselves. For example, programming language. In a programming language, non-terminal symbols could represent expression, represent any valid calculation or combination of values and operators. Statement represent a complete instruction or command. Function represent a block of code that performs a specific task. Natural language. In a natural language like English, non-terminal symbols might represent noun, phrase, represents a group of words that function as a noun, like the big red ball. Phrase presents a group of words that function as a verbs like run quickly. Sentence represents a complete thought or statement. Production rules. This is a produ- type of formal grammar designed to describe simpler languages. Their production rules have some keys restrictions that make them less powerful than those found in context-free grammars. Restrictions. One non-terminal on the left. The left-hand side of a production rule in a regular grammar can only have the one one non-terminal symbol. This means you won't see rules like S can replace NP-V where both NP and BV are non-terminals. Limit, limited right-hand side. The right-hand side of regular grammar production rules can have one of two forms. Terminal symbol. A single terminal symbol representing a word or punctuation mark. For example, a capital A can replace a small letter A. Terminal followed by non-terminal. A capital A single terminal symbol followed by a single non-terminal symbol, etc. Terminal A can replace AB. For example, imagine a grammar for recognizing strings of A's followed by B's. Here's how it might look using regular grammar production rules. S can replace a small letter A and capital A. Start symbols S produce A followed by by non-terminal capital A. Capital A can replace small letter a. Capital A non-terminal A can produce another A followed by capital A. Capital A can replace small b. Non-terminal can be produced A B ending the string. Regular grammars are less powerful than context-free grammars. They can describe as many complex languages. Production rules and irregular grammars are restricted. They can only have one non-terminal on the left and the limited right-hand side. This restriction make our regular grammars simpler to analyze and understand. And that's all. Thank you for watching.